guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways of displaying your hair bows. Let's get started. The first way is to use hangers for your clothing, plastic or wooden, and also the ribbon. I used ribbon number 5, 25 millimeters. And another way is to macrame style. Look guys, it's very beautiful. You can choose other colors. It's very fancy, very stylish. For our work, we need all those materials. Macrame cord, 5 millimeters thickness. It's 70% of cotton and 30% of polyester. Also, I need 2 wooden sticks, 30 centimeters length, pair of scissors, and ruler. I need to take one piece, 6 meters length, and to find the middle of it. So here's going to be middle. Take one stick, find the middle also. And I need to use some alligator hair clip or something to stick them together. And I need to rub. Rub. So here, this way. And to leave 6 centimeters from one edge, and the same is going to be here, 6 centimeters from another edge, so till here. Wrapping. Next step, I need to cut 2 pieces by 3 meters length. The first is going to be on the left side, and I'm placing it on the left side with lark's head knot. Another one is going to be on the right side. The same. I'm finding the middle and making the lark's head knot. Next step, I need to cut 2 pieces by 4 meters length, and I need to find, to mark 1.5 meters from one side, this way. So it's going to be 1.5. This one 1.5, and here 2.5. And I'm placing this way on the left side of my bow hanger. Doing lark's head knot also. So what we have here, we have 5 strings. The left and the right, the longest ones, so by 2.5 meters, and 1, 2, 3 middle ones, they are 1.5 meters length. Here we're going to do the same. So take the rope by 4 meters, find 1.5 meters, mark it 1.5 meters here, and 1.5 meters is going to be on this side and 2.5 meters on the other side. So I'm doing lark's head knot also. And here we have the same 5 cords, the left one and right one, they're longest, 2.5 meters, and 3 in the middle, the shortest, 1.5 meters length. Here we have 5 cords, and we need to do left or right facing square knots. I will do left facing square knot. So here the left and right cords, they are working cords, and in the middle they're going to be leading ropes. So this way I'm doing 2 square knots. One, two, to start. Then I need to take some clip or some piece of paper and measure. So this one is going to be my measurement here. This one I started my square knots here, and this is going to be the space for my bow, this way. So next square knot I'm doing here. If you plan to hang small bows, hair bows, this space is supposed to be smaller. I like big hair bows, so I will leave a little bit more space. So this is my measurement, this one. Next is going to be the same. This is going to be loop. Next square knot. I like to be them equal, so this way and this way. And what I need, so I did 2 of them, and I need to pull this square knot till the previous one, this way. So this is going to be my loop. This is space for hair bow, this is between hair bows, that next one. Also the same is going to be this distance, so next square knot is going to be here. All right, let's continue on the right side. Also 5 cords, and we start with 2 left facing square knots. One, and 2. Next, I will take my clip and to measure my distance. So here is going to be next square knot, this way. Here, guys, is very important. The left side and right side is supposed to be equal. If you have distance too different, so it's going to be different pattern. We're doing the same distance. Always check this distance and here. Next is going to be square knot with loops. Next is here. It's very important. The left and right side, they're the same. If you feel that it's shorter, make it a little bit longer. Next loop. And pull it. I finished till the end. So they're too short to make one more loop. For this, it's going to be the last one. The same distance. It's going to be between two square knots. Here. And the last one, instead of doing loops, I will do just second square knot. This way. Here is going to be the same. Next step, take the second stick, the cord, 1 meter and 10 centimeters, 1 meter and 10 centimeters, fold in half, place in the middle of the stick, use some support, and the same, roll it. Here. And that's it. Leading cord here, the first one, and do double hitch knot. Double hitch knot. 1. The next leading, also double hitch knot. And third one, double hitch knot. The same on the right side. Next step, we're going to do gathering knot. So take one of the cords, gather all cords together, and with one cord wrap them 3 times. And go through all of them. And make the knot. So this way. On the right side, I'm going to do the same at the rest. So I'm going to rest and just cut 3 centimeters. Here we go. Next step, I need to take the cord 70 centimeters and place it on the left side of our top bow hanger. So here's going to be this way. And on the right side. And here we go. It's ready. If you don't like too long, we can easily make the knot here. And those parts I need just cut. But don't cut too short, guys. Leave half of centimeter. Here we go. Our bow hanger is ready. So we can place our bows like this. Like this. Here. Alright guys, our bow hanger is ready. Very pretty, very beautiful. You can also do the same with different colors, which are matching your walls or just which you like the most. I like different colors. For that I made with this light blue, also gray color, pink. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press notification bell for the next videos, and see you next time. Bye bye guys.